Hi children, hope you all have finished your holidays and welcome back to your online class. Let's start the mathematics class. See, we are going to learn about the straight lines and curved lines. Straight line means, see here we have one example. You can also try that by tying a rope or a thread to the window and holding it tightly. As the boy is holding here, you can hold it tightly. You find this line as a straight line. This is called straight line. And one more example we can slide. If you little loosen it, you can find a little curve in this way. That is called a curved line. That is called a curved line. And we can see some more examples here, such as, see in this picture given, we have to see how many straight lines are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The same way here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, here also 8 and here also 8. And then here we have one triangle. This is a straight line. These are also called straight lines. When the line is bent a little, then we call it as a curved line. Just see here. This is one curve, this is one curve, and this is also a curve, and this is also a curve. These lines, when it is straight or slanting or little bend in this way, these are also called straight lines, children. Okay, now we can see here one example. Okay, turn the page. And here we have some dots. They are telling us to draw a picture using some curve and straight lines. Shall we try now? First one. See here, children. They have drawn a little. We can still draw it like this. And join here. And join in this way. And we can even some more like rangoli designs in this way, and take your parents' help and do it as a homework, children. This will be your homework. Okay, and next we are going for the draw some more pictures using curved and straight lines. I have drawn 2 pictures. I will be sending in the, you can see it, and take the parents' help and try to draw some more pictures, children. Okay, and then let's move to the next one. That is a pick and put as instructed below. Here we have some ABCD. Okay, you people try to make some cards like this, alphabetical cards and number cards. You keep 3 boxes. Take the help and try in your home, children. Keep 3 boxes. First box is only the numbers and letters which have straight line. Second box will be the numbers or letters which have straight line and curved lines, and only curved lines. And now here we have straight line and the curved lines. Second one will be only curved lines. First one will be only straight lines. Straight lines, curved lines, and both curved and straight lines. Try to do this example. Okay, and separate all the alphabets. You write A to Z, children. A to Z. Write all the alphabets A to Z and try to do this. Okay, and now we are moving to the next page, that is a page number 18. Now see here, one we have curved, one straight line, two curved lines. And let me check here how many straight lines we have. Write down, children, like this. Two straight lines. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 curved lines. Okay. Here everything here we have all the lines as a curved lines, no straight lines. We can tell it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines, children. Here count the children, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 and 2 curved lines. 9 straight lines and a 2. This is a 1 and this is 2, children. Okay. Is it clear? I think you are understanding what I am saying. Try to find out and sort out many more pictures, and in every picture you try to find which is a straight line, what is the curved line, and if you will sort in this way, you will be more perfect, children. Okay, and now we are going to see features of geometrical figures. What rolls, what slides. Slide means, children, see, you will play, this slide. You have played many times in your schools and all. The ball always rolls, which rotates. And this is also slide, this also slide, and this rolls, and a ball in the slide rolls. The ball always rolls. Okay, some objects rolls, ball, the shape which has circle rolls, and this will slide. Okay, now we can see some objects here. Object, this, what happens? This slides or rolls here. This is slides, and the coin also, coin rolls, candle rolls, this rolls, matchbox slides, ball rolls, and this rolls. Okay, and this. Okay, this both the things. You can try taking these examples you have in your home. If you have slide nearby your home, and you can try which one slides and which one rolls. Okay, now we are going to answer some questions. Write the name of 2 objects which can only slide. Only slide means we can tell ball, okay, and yes, and coin, children. Okay, now look at the picture of the house. Write the name of any 2 objects which can both roll and slide. We can tell a circle shaped object. Circle object. Okay, now we'll go to this, children. This is a house. We have a house. We can observe here different shapes and recognize. Okay, you observe the following shapes in the above picture.